Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. So guys, I literally just ended the previous vlog, but I was gonna, I'm actually gonna edit, but I just wanted to show you guys how I edit my video, what I do, what I use. So I was just thinking, since I'm gonna actually edit now, I could actually show you guys that. So yeah. Alright guys, so I use my computer to edit. So at the moment I'm gonna show you guys what I use as my background. Yeah, cute. Alright, so I use Share Filmora, and I'm gonna open that up right now. Yeah, so it's opening up. So I have Filmora 9. I think I have the latest version of it at the moment. So yeah. So basically what I normally do first is I take the memory card that I have in this camera, or if things are on my phone, I take those and I send it to the computer and save them in videos. So if I go to videos right now, you will see I have all my video files, just waiting. All of these files will be going into the vlog for that I uploaded, previously. So the one I'm going to edit right now. So that's going to be, I'm going to press on new project, and then it's going to open up. Yeah, it's coming up. So this is what it looks like when you just get in, and then I'm gonna go to import. It's not focusing. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to import media files, and then I'm gonna go to where videos are, and I'm going to just highlight all these videos and press open, and then they'll open up here. Now I also have some files, my regular files on my thumb drive that's I use for YouTube. So what I do, I have all these things in it, and in YouTube edit, that's where I have like my intro and my outro, along with like some sounds, so like the music parts that I normally use. So I normally, take those as well and put them in. So here you have my sounds that I have. So I highlight the ones I'm going to be using. Okay guys, so I copy and paste all that sounds and place them there. And then I take also my social media things, because I normally use those in my edits. I go back to YouTube edit, social media overlays, and I take the ones I normally use. So I have my Instagram overlay, my Instagram tag, like overlay, all of these basically. Yeah, so I could just, do that and press open, and that will also open here. Now, I don't normally, take everything and place them in the, we call this, the view thingy, whatever that is. I don't normally do it all at once. I do it like I go through and I find like which one I did first and then put it in. So I will, try and figure out what is what. Alright guys, I know the fan is blowing at the moment, so I know the feedback is there, but I wanted to show you guys what is going on. So basically this is my setup at the moment. So I put all my video files are in this little part here, and then like, alright, so let me extend this so you guys can see it. So here you see like I have two things on top. So I have like a green screen here, and then I have like the wording, so it would end up looking like that. So this would be the wording and so on. So yeah, so I finished my editing and all, so I'm gonna export my video at the moment. Export. Yeah, So it saves in my upload file, and I normally just name it something, you know, chit chat or something. And then I press export, and it exports, and it tells me when it's done. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, August 18. Guys, today is nomination day. Hi, mother. You're going to nominate? Yes, guys. So we're doing our morning walk. Hello, my son is still walking. Please stand up on my panda girl here. Miss say, doing our morning walk. So they're waving the orange flags, guys. How you doing?
Tired.
You gonna start doing nothing yet?
I'm not doing nothing more. Me tired.
What you mean?
Me tired.
We're not doing nothing yet.
Brain.
You're lucky. We're going up to do something. This is the last week. You guys have to go all out, you know? You know?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Agree? Pinky swear?
Mm-mm.
Pinky swear. Come on.
No. You know, force people for pinky square.
No, man, oh, my big friend.
Oh, may I get it?
Yes, my big friend.
Things are going down the road there. You pass me. Pass me, bad.
Power.
Where's the pass? Where's the pass?
Yes, I get alone.
But there's not pass. You want to see much? Hi, guys. What's up? Hey, mommy. What's up? What are you doing? I can't swear in my sink when I want to go wash the plate them, so I can start my cooking, please. Excuse me. Go around your phone. Thank you. Excuse me. Yeah, Wednesday, August 19th. I should have a video going live today at 10. I'm not sure how that's gonna go because light gone and it's a collab, so I'm gonna need to, you know, copy and paste the URL, the link to the other person's video to put in the description after we both upload at 10. I don't know that's how I go because the net gone, light gone. I don't know what time to come back. It's currently after 8, I think, so hopefully by the time we don't exercise and probably eat something, decide to come back. I don't know. So yes, we'll see what happens. I also think I have to go up to my workplace today because we're supposed to collect something. I have to collect it between today and Friday, and since my sister gone to meeting at her school, I think, you know, it's best if I go up there today and both of us just come down one time, because I'm not have to straight drive taxi me for take. I'm kind of afraid. I don't want to take no taxi this time because after what happened yesterday was nomination day, right? And when you look at the videos and all of that in our area, there was like no social distance, like seriously. And they expect you up to school September. That can't work. Hi mommy, are you ready? Ready? You ready?
Partly.
All right, let's go. Hey guys, it is Thursday morning and I'm about to end the vlog and start a new one because I checked the footage that I had yesterday from, you know, the previous week, and I have enough footage, like it's maybe long, so just want to show, you know, end the vlog. But I wanted to show you guys how gloomy the day is. Like, it's rained last night, so it's pretty gloomy. But yes, that's it. All right guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, and yes guys, if you guys have not checked out my previous video, it was a collab with Life as Dominique Awesomeness, sorry. So yes guys, it was a pretty fun video. You have 2 of those, so yes guys, you can go check that out. I will leave it will be in the cards as well as in my description. It will be in my end cards as well, so you guys can check that out. Yes guys, oh yes, my sister came my hair because as you guys can see, my hair is pretty natural, but I'm not ready to cream it yet, just giving it a little more time to breathe, you know. So I can't roll it. All right guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.